Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this session, we are going to see how to install and configure Maven in Windows operating system. So what you have to do is so first thing is you need to go to this Apache Maven website. You just need to search Apache Maven. Okay, and once you landed into this site, you see there are a list of options there. Okay, so you have to look for binary zip archive. You see here the second row, the first link. Okay, this is the one. So this has got the actual link, okay, which has got the Maven setup. Okay, you just need to click on that, and you need to download that file actually. Okay, so this is the exact thing. So I've just highlighted this one. So this is the exact link where you have to click, and you have to click on download. And moment you do that, you see here the files got downloaded. Okay, once the files got downloaded, what you need to do is you have to extract all the files. Okay, and so I'm just going to the downloaded folder. Yeah, this is the one, right? So I'm just going to right click, extract all. Okay, now you see the folder has been extracted. Okay, so now what you have to do is you copy that folder, right, and then go to any of your local drive. Or okay, so I'm going to create some local drive, or you can go to program files. In that program files you can create a folder called Apache. Okay, so within that Apache, right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one more folder. There I'm typing Maven. Within that folder I'm going to paste it. Okay, just copy that exact folder path, and now what you have to do is you see here in that folder you should ensure you're seeing all this folders bin. So I'm double clicking on that. You see here all these folders need to be present. Bin, boot, conf, flip, everything need to be present. Okay, and what we have to do is okay, yeah, so we have to go to the next step. I'm just documenting those things also so that for future references. So once that is downloaded, right now it's a very simple process. You have to set the environment variable similar to what you have done for Java, right? Same thing. Now you click type edit, and you go to that system properties, and within the system properties you click on the new, right? Here what you have to do is you have to type Maven hyphen. So this is a very important thing actually. Okay, Maven underscore home you have to put, and what you have to do is where the exact the folder path that you have put, right, within that folder, you have got all the subfolders, everything, right? So you have to put exactly those things. Okay, so now you place it in that path, right? And then I'm just taking a snapshot for any future references. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here actually. So basically what you have to do is after adding that Maven to path, you have to add one more thing. Going here, click on OK. Now what you have to do is see here whatever the path that I've copied, Maven underscore home is created, and now you click on edit, click on new, right? Here what you have to do is percentage Maven underscore home slash bin, you have to put it. Click on OK. Okay, and yeah, I'm just clicking on OK. I'm just taking a snapshot just for your future references. Just pasting it in this document. Yeah, so that it becomes a useful reference for future. That's the reason. Okay, I'm just clicking on OK. Now what is the next step I need to do? So next thing is I have to verify the Maven installation, right? So moment after I set up the variables, right, go to the command prompt. Okay, here I have to type Maven. So okay, this is the normal thing, right? MVN hyphen space hyphen version you have to type.